Hi guys, today I'm gonna make the multiplication and addition.
Going to solve.
Going to solve plus 9 and plus 9 is equal
9 plus 9 is equals to?
18.
Okay, sulat.
8. 2 and 9
Okay. Basahin mo.
makes
No.
18.
2.
2
Anong tabasa?
times 9 is 18.
Equals to?
18.
Okay. Next.
What's this?
You count it first. 2.
Looks like 90. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8.
Sulat mo muna.
8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals. Last count it. Oh.
Umupo ka lang. 8 plus 8 plus 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is 24. 24. Times 3. 3 times 8 is equals to 24.
Next.
This is 1, 2, 3.
Ano pinapansin mo? Bags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals. Alright.
Pag ano na? 5 plus 5 is
It's
equals to?
4 5s and 1, 2,
Count
3,
in
4,
ano?
5,
Skip
6,
counting.
7,
5. Skip counting ka ng 5. 5. 5. 10. Skip counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
Oh, 15.
15. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is 20.
Oh, ano ang ano niya?
4
4 na. 4
times 5 equals to 20.
Okay, next.
What's
Count it.
10? I
Ano
know
agad?
this. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Right?
Yeah. Oh.
2 times 10 is equals to 20.
Very na.
Goodbye, guys.
Hindi, pakita natin.
Look. Just count it so you remember it. Goodbye.